Hi friends, welcome on Europedia, and this my video is related to the syllabus of HPCL. HPCL has come out with a very good number of seats, that is 93 seats for mechanical engineers and also 40 plus for electrical engineers. मेरे को लगता है 3 months हैं आपके पास अभी before final exam is there, and the paper is pretty straightforward. अभी तुम्हारे पास PYQ है पिछले 3 साल का, उसको एक बार देखो. बहुत सा स्टूडेंट ये पूछ रहा है कि इसका सिलेबस क्या है. दो दिस सिलेबस विच आई एम टेलिंग यू, लास्ट ईयर का सिलेबस था 2023 का, एंड 21-22 पहले 2 साल सिलेबस सेम था. फिर 23 में कुछ टॉपिक्स ऐड हुए थे और उन टॉपिक्स में से 15 नंबर का क्वेश्चन आए थे आउट ऑफ 85, और वो गेम चेंजर था क्योंकि वो 15 मार्क्स के जो क्वेश्चंस थे आउट ऑफ 85 टेक्निकल, वो सारे इंजीनियरिंग सर्विसेज का प्री वाला सिलेबस था. आप में से बहुत सा बच्चा इंजीनियरिंग सर्विसेज प्री ऑल्सो यू आर राइटिंग, सो दैट वाज द सिलेबस ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग सर्विसेज प्री विच वाज एडेड लास्ट ईयर. Now this year 2024 the chance is syllabus is going to remain same because first 3 years syllabus has remained same plus some addition. So my strong advice to you is that if you have filled the form of HPCL, start preparing. Europedia provides point to point, word to word entire syllabus recordings and videos to you along with live classes, and our classes are going on. Already I have taken 3 classes on new added topic from energy and environment. I have covered this environmental impact assessment, 2 lectures. I have also covered one climate change lecture, and today at 6 p.m. live there is a second lecture of climate change. Don't miss it friends, it's very important if you want to clear HPCL. Similarly, the syllabus of other branches like electrical and other branches civil have also been shown by the mentors, and that is same. So don't you bother about the syllabus. This is the syllabus of HPCL, and that is the syllabus which is same, which was actually previous 3 years it remains same, and it's applied mechanics and design. That is nothing but entire design part, is similar to GATE exam actually. Then comes fluid and thermal sciences, fluid mechanics, heat transfer, thermodynamics. Then comes material manufacturing and industrial engineering, in which production planning and control everything comes. And now this is the addition part. This is the addition part. Addition part is these 7 topics of engineering services preliminary: general principle of design, drawing, importance of safety, standard and quality practices in production, construction, maintenance and service, basics of energy and environment, and I have covered environmental impact assessment and climate change. ये 2 topic I have covered in the live classes at 6 p.m. and today also there is a live class at 6 p.m. Basics of project management, basics of material science engineering, information communication technology, ethics and values. These are new topics, and from these topics last year the 15 questions were asked. Basic electrical engineering, very basic things, computer organization and architect, basic civil engineering, construction practice, planning and project management. So these are the topics from where which are other than your mechanical engineering, renewable energy of sources. So these are the topics friends, if you do you will get an edge. And as you know, close call hota hai. Once you get interview call from HPCL, the probability of your getting selection is very high depending upon GT and interview. तो अगर आप कट ऑफ पे भी अंदर जाते हैं HPCL में, तब भी आपकी probability selection की होती है. Last year there is a huge variation in the cut off out of 170, 85 technical, 85 non-technical. 170 में से there is a huge variation. It can be 110 marks, it can be 140 marks. Last year there was negative marking, उससे पहले negative marking नहीं था, तो variation is huge. If you want to qualify this exam of HPCL friends, my strong advice to you is go with Europedia module. This is tailor-made module for HPCL exam, and go for GD, GT plus written exam and give your 100%. 3 months में अगर आपने GATE exam लिखा है और 3 मंथ्स आप एफर्ट करते हैं, रिकॉर्डेड वीडियोस पढ़े हैं, लाइव क्लासेस चल रही हैं, कंटेंट आपको मिल रहा है, अगर आप उसकी तैयारी कर लेंगे आप इस एग्जाम को क्लियर कर लेंगे. एंड आई डोंट थिंक देयर इज एनी अदर प्लेटफॉर्म विच इज गिविंग यू HPCL मॉड्यूल इन सच अ वंडरफुल वे. सो तैयारी करो फ्रेंड्स, एंड आई एम वेरी श्योर आप इस एग्जाम को निकाल लोगे, लेकिन आपके पास टाइम कम है. 3 मंथ्स है इस एग्जाम को निकालने के लिए. 7 टाइम्स लोगों को ये कॉल करेंगे, वेटिंग लिस्ट भी होता है, तो अच्छी जॉब है आपके पास और आप इसको निकाल सकते हैं. सो सिलेबस ये है, इसको अटैच कर देंगे. गो एंड क्वालिफाई फॉर दिस एग्जाम. Thank you.